हेलो फ्रेंड्स, क्या हाल चाल। आई होप आप सभी बढ़िया होंगे और वीडियो के टाइटल थंबनेल को देख के समझ गए होंगे कि आज हम किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सो दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी डेडिकेटेड अपॉन द गूगल आर्केड सीजन 2 which is already started in the July 7th, but in this video I will be covering all the details required to compete in this program, to register in this program. Starting from the topics we are going to cover in this video, first of all we will see what is Google Arcade program actually is, then what are the eligibility criteria, what are the perks and learnings, and how to register in this program. Once registration is complete, then how to compete in this program, an extra layering of facilitator program, and then summarize. For now, just drop the pointer number 5th, which is extra layering of facilitator program, that I will explain you later, then only you will understand. Okay, so starting from the very important thing, what is actually the Google Arcade facilitator program? So let's land on the official website. So the link of this website would be given in the description box, so nothing to be worried about. After this video, go to the description and check out all the important links. अभी के लिए यहाँ पर focus करिए. So starting from what actually the Google Arcade program. It is centric around the cloud technology or the cloud platform provided by the Google, known as GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so this provide all the cloud technology or the tools, but in general it is paid. So whatever technologies you are using, you have to pay for them. But during this time period of 6 months in this Google Arcade program, you get the access to all these cloud technologies free of cost, absolutely free of cost. You would be learning about the cloud platform from the scratch and using their technologies with the project you are building on. Now for example, you may think that I don't have any interest in the cloud technology, I come from the certain different background. For example, I am coming from the machine learning background, or I am coming from the web development program. Then how this platform is going to help me, or how this program is going to help me? The cloud platform itself is something that can be integrated with any background you are coming from. So let me give you a quick example. It will clear a lot of things towards you. So first of all, if you are a web developer, then you may know that you have to sometime deploy certain APIs which is needed to be run 24/7. For that, you need to build a server, which is not feasible or the possible. In that area, you can use the cloud technology. The Google Cloud provides the virtual machine concept which continuously run 24/7 even if your laptop is closed or the system is closed. You can go to the cloud platform, build a virtual machine, deploy your API through there, and you would be able to run your API 24/7. So in this way, you can integrate your web development experience with the cloud technology. Similarly, there are examples for the machine learning as well, but I don't want to keep this video lengthy. So believe me, there are a lot of usage of the cloud platform itself. So it didn't matter from which background or from which IT background you are coming from. Now starting from what are the eligibility criteria, because if you are eligible, then only you can invest your time in this program, right? The best part about this program is you all are eligible. Doesn't matter from which background or from which knowledge you are coming from, which tech stack you are using, it is for all, because this program is not for the pro or the advanced user. In this program, throughout the whole 6 months, you would be getting the guide upon particular topics. For example, if I open this program, the Arcade Base Camp, and you would be able to see all the topics they are going to cover. You will get the hands-on modules, written steps. If you read those steps, you would be able to learn about the cloud tools. You would be able to complete those challenges. So this is a learning path, not a direct challenge. It is a learning path for you. You can learn about the cloud technology, how you can integrate them with the other thing. For example, this Arcade Base Camp is revolving around the quick start console or BigQuery. Machine learning topic is there. If you see, the BigQuery is used in the machine learning itself, or the PostgreSQL is going to use in machine learning as well as in the cloud deployment. Then this whole Basecamp module is going to be around this only. So you would be learning around these topics, and you would be getting a written hands-on guide. You would be getting the video tutorials, you would be getting the written hands-on guide, and in this manner you would be learning about the cloud technology, not directly competing. But this is all, or no. So it is not all. This program is famous for learn to earn. First of all, eligibility criteria is clear. No as such eligibility criteria required. Even if you are beginner, you are welcome to participate in this program. Doesn't matter from which background you are coming from, which class you are coming from. I mean class 12th or class 11th or the college area. That doesn't matter. Or it doesn't matter if you have the knowledge of the cloud or not. Okay, I hope this eligibility criteria is clear to you, and you are very welcome to participate in this program. Now apart the learning, this program is also known as for the earning. Now what is this earning criteria? So those participants who participated in this program, is guaranteed to receive the official Google swags, physical swags delivered to their doorstep. And this is the best part about this program. Not you are learning only, but you are also earning. On the certain number of points you achieve, you would be getting the physical official Google branded goodies delivered to your doorstep absolutely free of cost. You don't need to pay even a single penny. Everything would be already paid for you. They will not ask for the advance anything. Absolutely free of cost. डिलीवरी चार्जेस से लेके सब कुछ आपका बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इस प्रोग्राम में होने वाला है. जस्ट ओनली यू नीड टू इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम to learn the new things, and as soon as you learn the new thing, complete the challenges, you would be earning certain points, and in the exchange of those points you would be able to claim your goodies. Now this milestone or this image is from the season 2024. I don't have the HD image of the 2025 season. There are two seasons going on in every month year. One was started in the January and ended in the June 2025. Now this again new season starting from the July itself and run till the December. So this is the time period for this program. It will start in the July itself and end in the December 2025. So you have to participate throughout this 6 months in order to gain these swags or the goodies. We call them swags. Okay. These physical goodies known as the swags. So there are certain number of points criteria which are required to claim your swags. Now from how you can earn these arcade points, these are known as the arcade points. So how you can earn these points? So for that, let's come back to the arcade official website. From now we are beginning our journey of the cloud, how you can, or the arcade program. So let me first discuss you how to register in it, then I will explain you the fundamental of this point system and what are the eligibility criteria to claim these swags. And throughout this program you would, or throughout this further video, you would be able to learn how to compete as well, because once we complete, then only we would be earning the points. So you will get a clear idea. So let's first see how to register. Come to this official website, scroll down a little bit, click on subscribe here button, and it will redirect you to a form, Google form. You have to fill this form with the ID with which you want to participate. You have to give an email ID, click on next button, give the email ID, click on the next button, and it will ask you to accept these terms and conditions. So let me quickly go through these terms and conditions. It is very easy. You can come to here and learn, but let me explain you. I need to subscribe to Arcade in order to receive the prize. So this form is for the subscription that they are talking about. If you fill this form, then only you would be receiving the prizes. Okay, and if I unsubscribe to receive email Arcade in the future, then I will not be eligible to participate in the Arcade prize counter. तो अगर आप ये मेल्स जो आ रहे हैं इस फॉर्म को फिल करने के बाद आपको सर्टेन मेल्स आएंगे. इफ़ यू अनसब्सक्राइब टू दैट मेल देन यू वोंट बी एलिजिबल टू क्लेम योर प्राइजेस एट द एंड ऑफ दिस होल सीजन. तो आपको एक बार सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद अपना मेल कभी भी अनसब्सक्राइब नहीं करना है. Then I will not change the email address with which I am subscribed to the arcade during the course of this cohort, which is obvious. If you are participating with certain email address, then you can't change them. If you change that, then you won't they won't be able to track your progress, right? So that's why if once you register yourself with particular email, then only participate or complete the challenges with that email only. Okay, and I must use the same email address to complete the arcade games. So that is what I am saying. I will not change my public profile during the course of arcade. Now what is this public profile? I will come to this in a minute. Just let's revise the other remaining program. I will use only one account email to participate in the arcade for a cohort. So it is you can even neglect this. You can participate with multiple account if you want, but they are saying that only participate with one email or one account, which is not mandatory. Trust me. Using multiple accounts may result in disqualification. Not to happen. And during the prize counter, only one set of prizes can be claimed per mobile number. So now this is important, and I will come to this point a little later when I will be explaining you this point system or the milestone system. At that time I will be covering this point. So item cannot be shipped to this country. Certain countries are there which you won't be able to receive the prizes, but if you are an Indian citizen, then nothing to worry about. You will be getting the direct swags. And prizes are not available immediately when I complete a challenge. Prizes will become available when the prize counter opens. So it is obvious this program is going to end in the December 2025. After that only you would be able to claim your free swags and goodies. ऐसा नहीं है कि बीच में अगर आपके certain number of points complete हो गए तब आपको मिल जाएगा. No, you have to wait for the season to be ended. Okay, then prize counter opens at the end of this season. So yes, and the season would be ended in the December itself. And the price counter operates on a first come first serve basis with supply last. So yes, but I have nothing to be worried about. They have plenty of stocks. Whoever participated and complete the minimum eligibility criteria will definitely getting the swags and the goodies. Okay, arcade points are only awarded for the first instance of the batch earned. You can neglect it. If you are a new participant, just neglect it. Okay, then just accept it and click on the submit, and you will receive a confirmation mail about this subscription form. Now once you are done with this, your halfway subscription or the registration is done. Only the halfway, not the complete. Why so? Because as I told you, or I show you, this is the platform where you would be accessing the module or the challenges, and on this platform as well you have to register yourself. How you can register? It is the official platform of the Google, known as the Google Cloud platform. So the link of this platform would be given in the description box. Come to this platform and you have to create a new ID here. How you can create? Click on the join button and simply give your details. Please don't sign in with Google. Don't do this. Manually enter your details and then log in or register. Don't use this sign in with Google button, otherwise in future you will definitely going to face the problem. Why I am saying so? Just go with my experience. I am saying it through the experience. For this program, don't sign in with Google, otherwise you will face certain loss. Just manually give your details and register. Give your first name, give your last name, give your email ID with which you fill this subscription form. Make sure that you are using that same email ID here. Now for the company, if you are in a college or if you are a student, then give your college name or the school name, and if you are actually a working professional, then give your company name. In my case, it's IIT Madras, so I always give my college name IIT Madras here. Then come to the password, confirm the password. Now here comes another crucial part, that is your birth date. Make sure whichever birth date you are giving, according to that you should be 18 or above of the age. Should be 18 plus, otherwise you will immediately get disqualified from this program. Okay, then verify the captcha and click on create account. Once you create account, you will be redirected to a sign in page, but you won't be able to sign in right now. Why so? Because first of all, you have to go to your Gmail, your mailbox. There you will find a confirmation mail. You have to verify that confirmation mail that yes, I am the one who are trying to create my account. Then only you would be able to sign in. Once you confirm that, then you can come to this page and log in. So let me quickly log in here. So once you log in, okay, just give me a second. So yes, once you logged in, you would be able to see a page like this, not this. Actually redirected me to the arcade page. Let me show you how actually your dashboard look like once you create your account and sign in. So once you sign, your dashboard page would look like this. Okay, now in your case it would be completely blank or empty because you are not pursuing any course. You are absolutely beginner here, so you won't be see any labs or the games. It would be completely neat and clean. So now you are registered with here and your registration is complete, but you need to make certain changes here in order to get the price counter related mails. So what is that? Click on this your avatar icon on the top right corner and click on the settings here. Once you click on the setting, you would be able to change your details here, your first name, your last name, your company name, or your language you used, or your avatar or the player name. You can set your avatar image, you can set your name. Then there are certain crucial settings that you have to keep in check. These are the 4 settings that you need to check out. Then there's a special setting, public profile. Now this is very crucial. Initially it would be private to you. You won't be able to see any public profile link here. No link would be visible to you because your profile is right now private. So as soon you click on this blue button or the checkbox to make your profile public, you will receive this URL. Now once you've done this, make sure you never ever untick this. If you do that, you will lose your public profile and you lose all your arcade progress. So once you are done with this, make sure you never ever change this. Once you receive your profile URL, keep it as it is. And it is the public profile they mentioned in this form as well. Let me show you again. If you come to here, there is a point in the terms and condition that I will not change my public profile that I was talking about. So you are not supposed to change this public profile URL. If you changed it, you will lose all your progress. So make sure keep it as it is. Okay, then update the settings and you are done. Your registration is done. Congratulations, you are done with this. Now you can simply come back to the original website of the Google itself. But first of all, starting the program or competing in this, why you will follow me? Because after this in your journey you have to follow me regarding certain solution or the challenges, or you have to join my community in order to get all the daily updates regarding the cloud technology or the Google Cloud platform. So why you should follow me? So I am an official selected Google facilitator who are participating or mentoring the students since past 1 year, and I already mentored over 4,500 students regarding this cloud journey. It is my official certificate. You can also check out my LinkedIn profile. The link would be given in the description box. You can connect with me and ask your queries. And yes, now come back to the official website of the arcade itself. Now you are registered yourself. You are done with the registration. We are already seeing certain things, that is what is the Google Arcade program, what is the eligibility criteria, what are the perks and learning. We already see that the perks are simply the milestone or the official physical swags that we are going to receive from the Google itself. Then we are coming to the how to register. We are done with the registration process. Now come to how to compete, because in order to gain the swags and the goodies, you need to compete in this program. So let's explore this official website of the Google Arcade itself. First of all, on this website, you would be seeing a lot of challenges. In total, 10 challenges per month. It is going to run till the 6th month. So every month you would be seeing 10 such challenges. Okay. So starting from the arcade base camp. Why I am starting from the base camp? Because these two challenges of the program, the arcade certification zone and the transaction required, is certain special program or the special challenges which are not open throughout the month but open in a certain time period for a particular week. So they are not the permanent challenges but the temporary one. The permanent challenges are the arcade base camp, then level 3, level 1, level 2, and the arcade trivias. There are arcade trivia week 1, trivia week 2, week 3, week 4. Now you have to learn these terminology: arcade games and arcade trivias. Now what are the game batches? So these arcade level 1, level 2, arcade level 3, base camp, certification zone, these all are the arcade games. Okay, and the trivias, obviously week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, these are the trivia batches. You need to learn this terminology. Why? I will just show you in a minute. So with every challenges, you are associated with the arcade pointers or the arcade points. Now these are the points which are going to use in exchange of the official swags and the goodies. On completing each challenge, you would be rewarded with 1 arcade point, and at the end of the season, if you are having the minimum arcade points, then you would be eligible to claim these arcade swags and the goodies. For example, according to this 2024 season, if you are having or able to complete the 15 arcade points in the 6th month, then you are guaranteed to claim this bag, t-shirt, zipper and a pen absolutely free of cost. And this is the minimum eligibility criteria. You can see there are a lot of premium swags and the goodies available for you. So in exchange of these arcade points, as much as arcade points you earn on completing these challenges, you would be able to get the higher level of prize and the goodies. But there is one thing they already mentioned, that you would be eligible to claim only 1 set of prize. So there it was in the price, only 1 set of prize can be claimed per mobile or per account. That is, if you, for example, if you have 45 points of arcade in total, then you would be able to claim the swags of the premium milestone only, not of the advanced milestone or the standard milestone. Only and only of the premium milestone or that particular milestone in which you are lying. For example, if you have 75 arcade points, then you will only get the swags from the champion milestone, not from the previous 4. Only you will get the goodies from this particular milestone. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Whatever the highest arcade points you have, you will get the swags from that particular milestone. Now you may think, for example, if I have 40 points, then in which arcade milestone I will lie? So in that case, you will lie in the 30 points milestone, that is advanced milestone. Remaining 10 would be waste. Either you will lie in the arcade advanced milestone or the premium milestone. If you have 30 points, then you will be in the advanced, and if you get 45 points, then you will be in the premium milestone. Now for this season, the new point system is about to release. It is not disclosed, so we can't say, but it will be somewhere around this, so nothing to be worried about. Now let's come back to here. What is the point system? So for every game batches that I already told you, the level 1, level 2, base camp, these are the game batches, you would be directly rewarded with the 1 arcade point. But for the trivias, also for the trivias, you would be getting the direct 1 point. But there is a special thing, that is skill batches of 2 or the 1 worth point. What is this? First of all, let's see what is the requirement of the skill batches. So as I told you, every month you would be getting the challenges of worth 10 arcade points. So there are total 6 months this program is going to be held, and according to the calculation, 10 into 6 is going to be 60 arcade points. So you may ask, sir, if this program is going to run till 6 months, and if we are only able to complete and gain the 60 arcade points, then how I would be able to claim these highest swags for the milestone? There comes the role of our skill batches. Skill batches are not monthly dependent. You can access them whenever you want, you can complete them and earn the arcade point. But there is a catch: on completing 2 skill batches, you get only 1 arcade points. Whether on these challenges, every one challenge give you a 1 arcade point, but for the skill batch, 2 challenges give you single arcade points. You have to keep this in mind. You won't receive any single number of points if you complete only 1 skill batch. You have to complete the number of skill batches in even order, 2, 4, 6 in this case. Otherwise, you won't receive the point. For example, if you have 3 batches, you completed 3 skill batches, then only you will receive 1 arcade point. That extra third skill batch won't count until you completed 4. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now from where you would be able to access these skill batches? For that you have to again come back to the cloud console where you created your ID. Let me show you the cloud skill boost profile that I told you to create. Here on the dashboard you have to go to the explore session. Under the explore, if you click on the batch and select skill batches, then these are all going to be the skill batches you can complete, and there are total 85 skill batches. So if you gain or try to calculate the arcade points, then that comes out to be 42 arcade points. So 42 arcade points in the next 6 months you will be able to claim from the skill batches itself, which makes 60 plus 42, which is going to be around 102 arcade points. And even in between you get the special bonus points as well. What are the bonus points? I will come to that later, but yes, you would be eligible to claim the highest swags or the milestone even if you skip certain number of challenges, because the maximum point is going to be around 142. How 142? I will give you the calculation, but let's come to how you can compete now. मैंने आपको बता दिया कौन कौन से challenges आते हैं, but इन challenges में कैसे register करके compete कैसे करना है. Every challenge have its access code related to that. You have to copy that access code in which you want to register yourself. Copy that, click on start button, and it will ask you to join this game. First of all, you make sure you are registered with the correct ID. So click on join this game button and paste the access code here and click on join button. Again, from where I get the access code, it is corresponding to this program, to this challenge. You have to copy this. Every challenge have its unique access code, so you have to copy that, paste it here and click on join button. Once you click on the join button, you get enrolled in that. You will be able to see the deadline to complete this challenge. So in this case, it is 31st of the July. So you have to complete this in this template. Now every catalog or every module consists certain number of labs. You have to complete these challenges or the labs. Once you complete all these labs, you will automatically get the corresponding batch in your profile and 1 arcade point. Now every single lab takes around 40 to 50 minutes on an average to complete by yourself, or around 30 minutes in an average to complete by yourself. And if you try to complete these all labs, for example, it has 8 labs, so it is going to be 240 minutes, around 3 to 4 hours, which is too much, and you can't invest that much time to earn only 1 arcade points, because you have to earn minimum 20 arcade points in order to get these swags. So from where we can complete these challenges very quickly and very easily? So there comes the role of mine in intro. So that is, if you come back to my channel, first of all, this is my unboxing video which I uploaded regarding the facilitator swags that I received from the last season. You can check out the unboxing and get the quality and the grasp of what kind of goodies we received. The link of this unboxing would be in the description box. Now come to the easy solution through which you would be able to complete these labs within 3 minutes. So come to the playlist section. You would be able to see that since last 1 year I am providing the easiest solution of these challenges. For example, I already provided all the lab solution for the arcade trivia week 1. For the trivia week 1 and week 2, I already provided the solution, and it is of only 2 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So on an average, within 4 minutes you would be able to complete all the labs, and one challenge would be completed in 15 minutes, and you get the straight 1 arcade point. So that is how it is going to be work. You have to subscribe to my channel and you would be able to get all the solution on time and able to complete as much as labs possible within 15 to 20 minutes. There comes the role of mine, and make sure, so do subscribe to my channel and go check out the playlist and start completing this program. I give you a hands-on guide how you can start the lab, how you can complete the challenge, and how you can complete the challenge. Okay, So I hope you get the idea till here. I already covered all the things. Let's see. I covered the Google Arcade program, eligibility criteria, perks, registration, how to compete, and extra layering of facilitator program. Now, what is the extra layering of facilitator program? That I will just give you a brief, because it is not important right now. The main thing is just start enrolling, complete your registration, start enrolling in the program. Let me give you a brief about this facilitator program. So facilitator program is a layering upon in between this whole big arcade program, which is going to run for the 6th month. In between some time for the 2 month, a new program or the layering of a new program comes of facilitator program, in which if you register, you will be getting bonus arcade points. It means on completing certain number of challenges, for example, I completed 2 trivia challenges and 4 arcade game challenges, then I would be getting certain number of bonus arcade points. तो जो इनसे मिल रहे हैं वो तो arcade points मिलेंगे, कुछ और bonus भी मिलेंगे. So that is the perk and benefit of the facilitator program, which is going to start in the August itself. When it is going to start, I will definitely informing you on the WhatsApp group through my YouTube channel. So make sure आप मेरा WhatsApp group भी join करके रखें. Link description box में मिल जाएगा. Everything would be there in the description box, so make sure you do check it out. And now after this, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Now I hope you are able to understand this whole program thoroughly and easily. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box on the WhatsApp group. Now thank you very much. Good. Bye.